guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to see how to make this beautiful oil pastel. Now to get started, I've used sky blue color and I'm blending it in. Now I'm using light violet color and making types of lines. And then I'm blending it in an upwards motion. Now by using sap green color, I'm going to make some more lines and I'm going to blend it in by using the same technique. Now by using black oil pastel color, I'm going to make this shape and I'm going to color it in. Now I'm going to make some horizontal lines and in a descending order, I'm going to make some vertical lines. And this is how the trees will form. Now I'm going to make some more lines by using the same sap green color. Now for some highlights, I'm going to use the lighter shade of green and I'm going to make some more lines. Now I'm going to use black color and I'm going to color this whole part. Now by using light green color, I'm going to make some more horizontal lines.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something.
Now to make the rocks, first of all I'm taking grey color. I'm putting on top some golden color or you can say yellow ochre. I'm going to make some more highlight by using a lighter shade of green.
Kaale. So then, why?
Then by using white color, I'm going to make some highlights on the rocks. By using scissor, I'm going to make some more texture. Now I'm going to use black color.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
I'm going to make some more rocks.
Isn't there anyone?
Now for making the river, I'm going to first of all use sky blue color and then this deep blue color. I'm going to blend it in and I'm going to make the shadow of the rocks.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Then Then lastly, I'm going to color this part black as well, and by using the same technique, I'm going to make the trees.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways.
The last step is to put in some highlights by using white paint, and after that the end result will look like this. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.